Mike, ESPN Richmond. We are with the president of the Children's Hospital of Richmond. Elias CHOR is with us. Sir, I talk to people all the time. I ask them how COVID impacted their business.
Yeah.
I'm talking to the guy who is smack dab in the middle of it right there. You guys have, and the medical field has been impacted big time. Talk a little bit about what that means. We were doing dances before because we thought we were done with it, but now I don't think that's happened.
Yeah, that's right, Mike. This is a really important time for our community, for our country. We're seeing this Delta variant, and I'll tell you, as a dear friend of mine from Children's Hospital of New Orleans, Mark Klein, said, this is not your grandfather's COVID. This is, for children, this variant is highly contagious, and we have seen that it has an impact on kids. There are a couple of things I would tell you. Number one, our teams are tremendously committed to supporting this community. We've seen activity here in this community well over the last year and a half, and we're starting to see those numbers come up. So I can tell you the variant is in this community. I also know that when we think about the needs of our teams, and they've been, battle tested, I worry and I think about their resiliency and the need for them, of course, to stay strong and support our kids and families. And they are incredibly devoted. But here's what it comes down to. It comes down to all of us in this community working together, arm in arm. Please wear masks. Please, if you can get vaccinated, get vaccinated. That's so incredibly important. And then I'll tell you, I'm very hopeful that this fall we'll see some positive movement with some of the clinical trials on vaccinations for kids between the ages of 5 and 11. I think that's a tremendous opportunity and one that we're all looking forward to. And I'm very hopeful that will be here sometime this early winter, late fall. And then, I think the other piece is we've got to give each other grace. There's a lot of stress that all of us have been dealing with. And I look at, the tragedies of deaths that have occurred. And this is all over the world. And it's been a silver lining of reflection to say what really matters. You count your blessings, the time that you can spend with loved ones, even if you have to do it virtually. And then when you get the chance to do it together, it's special. These are things, I took for granted, right, before all of this happened. But I tell you, we are strong and we are committed and we love serving this community. And I want this community to know that VCU Health and certainly the Children's Hospital of Richmond at VCU stands ready to continue to support our families who are